Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to play Arsenal. Now my game wasn't laggy just then, but I am playing with my friend Nate again. Nate?
Hello? Yes. Hello. What? I'm trying to get mine ready. Screen recording.
I'm already recording mine.
Okay, I'm recording. Bro, mine. Okay, I'm recording now. I'm good.
Well, at least I told you I'm playing with my friend Nate.
Yes. I'm Nate.
The same guy as before on Hide and Seek Extreme.
What's going on?
My game's laggy when I screen record.
Thank you.
Don't know why, but well guys, I hope you enjoy this video and comment down below and subscribe and hit that like button. And also go check out Nate's YouTube account when he creates one.
I might, and maybe not. Who knows? But for now, I'll just be known as Connor's friend.
Nate. Okay, but seriously, where are you?
Hey, no.
I've been looking all around.
I'm upstairs.
Okay, upstairs. I'm
Wait,
coming.
wait. You're gonna kill me, huh?
Yes, I am. Ah,
I'm downstairs now.
I know, I saw you.
Can you jump out? Where the heck are you? I'm on 6. My game's lagging.
Yoink. Yes, so is mine. Well, guys, I hope you will enjoy this video and I might give you some tips and tricks if I have time.
Also, warning, Nate is terrible at Arsenal.
Yes, he is because he doesn't really play, but I do grind and by the way, if you look at my avatar, you'll see that I don't have my Robux anymore, mostly because someone hacked my account. For the second time, so me and my mum reported Roblox last night, and I'm going to get it back in around 1-2 months, so I'll be using one of my old accounts.
How long has it since you recorded a video, Connor?
3-4 weeks.
That's about a month.
Pizza!
Bruh. Help. Help. Have you guys looked at the store at the front of the store?
They're pressing about what? Oh, I see what you mean.
You've got 5 kills, and I only got 1. Oh no, I've got
This
1.
place is big. I've looked all around and I couldn't even find you until you came downstairs. I even looked upstairs but I couldn't find you.
I only have a pistol.
It's not a pistol. Pistols are smaller. Ding 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 ding. Alright, I'm going to use my knife, aka melee or melee, whatever you call it. I don't know. I don't even know where you are. I'm in the toilets downstairs. Ah, here.
Sorry, I can't. My thing isn't working.
I could have if I wanted to. But no, I chose to do a headshot.
Headshot.
When you do a headshot, it says critical hit.
I'm downstairs.
So am I. What?
Stop it! It's killing me. Like 24/7. You said you were gonna go easy on me.
Okay, I will go easy starting now.
See guys, this is why I said I'm very, very bad at this game because I don't play it.
I do.
I'm at the security check. Oh, there you are. Oh wait, what's it? Ah!
I'm going easy.
You have the you have the
What?
you
So
have a very better gun than me.
I have the soul pistol.
Also, I think Conan, do you try to be like a swag guy?
What do you mean?
Because whenever you text me, you're like, when you talk you actually spell it you, or you are.
I don't get anything that you just said.
When you put in you message me, you go like when you say hi, how are you? You'll go hi and then how are and then you'll spell like with the letter and then when you spell you like the word.
It's a faster way of saying it. Or spelling it.
Pardon?
It's a faster way of spelling it.
I'm in the toilet. Oh damn, son.
Oh damn, son!
Okay, I don't want to play.
Please.
I know, guys, I know you guys want to play Arsenal, and I know that kind of next you do. But as see, look at score 10-2. Losing there, guys.
I'll let you win.
Comment down below. Fair or unfair? So determine if I play Arsenal.
Alright, I'm just going to say it again if you guys didn't hear Nate. Comment down below if you think it's fair or unfair.
Yeah.
I'll let you win this round.
Oh. I'm 10-2 down.
You can still win. You have to get to 32 kills.
I'm downstairs.
Now I just went downstairs. No, you're upstairs.
Gotcha. Wait, how do I have two guns?
Okay, next round, can I go hard mode?
Okay, hard gun mode. Oh, I got a headshot.
Yes, so did I.
Hey, you killed me. Wow.
I got one headshot, one on the body.
Right.
I'm going as easy as I can. Otherwise, if I was going my easiest, then I would just be standing still letting you kill me.
Right. I mean, we should do it so that, because I'm screen recording, guys. I should send you my screen recordings, and then you can edit this, and you can put my screen recordings in. So maybe half the picture can be, of your side perspective, and then half of the page can be my perspective. Where were you?
Behind you!
Bruh.
Alright, yeah, I'm lagging so bad with my screen record.
Where are you now?
I don't know. Oh, well, I do know, but I don't know where you are.
Go downstairs.
Check.
Bruh!
What?
I cried every time the flag is on you. You're on 13, I'm on 3. You're down in terrible speed. Well, that's all.
Alright, I'm just going to try and find you. And then, oh, yep, I found you. pizza.
I think it's actually.
Yes, it
Oh
does.
God. That's insane.
There's also snowballs and baseballs.
What? I got a right.
I don't know. Well, I do know, but I don't know where you are. Feliz Navidad. I told you pizza actually does do damage.
Yeah, I know. Now I've got a Tommy gun. Nice Tommy gun, right? Oh my God, this Tommy gun is so good.
How is it so
Right.
good? It sucks.
Is it?
Oh, that gun. Oh, yeah, that gun's good. Sorry, my bad.
Right. Also, why are you a girl?
I have random characters.
Wait,
Hang
can
on.
I take a...
Did I look like Anna?
let me see.
No, did I? Because right now my avatar has changed.
Yeah.
Yes, I've got a rocket that can one shot kill me. Woo!
Yeah, I got a Mac 10. Hey, Mac 10, please.
Yeah, I've got a rocket launcher.
Holy.
I've got a rocket launcher. It's a one shot.
Where the heck are you from? Stop! Where are you?
I was behind you.
You need to tell me.
Okay. Okay. Nate, if you want to kill me, you need to, like, grind an arsenal. I'm in front of you. It's because headshots do more damage. After I win, I promise. I promise. I know. That's why if I go hard mode, it would be over. But I'm going easy mode. Not just because you want it, because I want it. You know, Nate, after this video, I can tell you some tips and I'm behind you. I can tell you some tips and tricks. Alright, fine. I'll wait for you to turn around and then I'll try and kill you. You know, Nate, after this video, which will end soon, I'm right here. I can tell you some tips and tricks. Well, I guess guys, I'll have to end this video here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you think it's unfair or fair and who do you think will win. See you in the next video. Bye!